A local government initiative set out to revolutionize connectivity through an aggressive fiber and wireless broadband rollout. However, it faced challenges with data gaps and limited insights from operators, hampering the progress and leaving citizens disconnected. Mozark's WirelessX platform supported the government by crowdsourcing real-world network performance data through citizen-facing care apps, white-labeled as official speed test tool. Beyond just displaying results, these apps enabled the submission of validated challenge tests, helping identify underserved areas. Over 1.2 million test points collected, 50% faster implementation, and full independence from operators. A fully integrated, 5G-ready future, bridging gaps and connecting communities.